How to stop Snapchat ads. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to reduce or stop Snapchat ads, here's what you can do. You need to first go ahead and limit personalized ads. So open your Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account, and also make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Now tap on the profile picture or the avatar icon in the top left corner of the screen. Access the settings. Scroll down and go to privacy control, and there you will see the option of ads, which is between customize emojis and data saver. Tap on ads. Now tap on ad preferences, that is the initial option. Now you'll get 3 different options of audience-based, activity-based, and third-party ad networks. Go ahead and disable all of this to reduce the targeted ads. And avoid using Snapchat for ads. Don't create or follow ad campaigns on your account. And on desktop, you can use ad blockers in your browser, which Snapchat app ads can be blocked. So understand that ads are the part of the Snapchat's free service. You can't completely remove all ads from Snapchat without paying for premium features, which Snapchat does not currently offer. So you need to wait for it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.